Start with the alphabet. Learn the Sanskrit alphabet first as it is the foundation of the language. Pay close attention to the pronunciation of each letter and how it changes when combined with other letters. Learn basic vocabulary. Start with common words and phrases used in everyday communication such as greetings, numbers, basic words, and nouns. Understand the grammar. Sanskrit grammar is different from English grammar, and it's important to learn the basic rules of the language. Pay attention to how the nouns, verbs, and adjectives change in different cases and genders. Use resources such as books, online courses, and apps. There are many resources available to learn Sanskrit. Use them to gain a better understanding of the language. Listen to Sanskrit. Listen to Sanskrit music, chants, and prayers to get familiar with the pronunciation and rhythm of the language. Practice regularly. Regular practice is essential for learning any language. Practice reading, writing, and speaking Sanskrit every day. Join a class or study group. Join a class or a study group to learn with others and get feedback on your progress. Be patient and persistent. Learning Sanskrit takes time and effort. Be patient with yourself and keep practicing regularly. Celebrate your small successes and keep pushing forward. Remember, learning any new language is a journey, and it takes time to become proficient. Enjoy the process and have fun learning Sanskrit.